Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into one of the most fascinating topics in biology, DNA. So, what exactly is DNA? Well, it stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's essentially the blueprint for every single thing that makes you, well, you. Now, imagine a twisted ladder, or a spiral staircase that stretches up to the stars. That's what DNA looks like. It's a double helix, with two strands that wind around each other. Each rung of this ladder is made up of a pair of molecules called nucleotides. These nucleotides are the true heroes in the story of genetics. There are 4 types of nucleotides in DNA: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And here's where it gets super cool. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always with guanine. This pairing is what encodes all the genetic information. It's like the world's most complex coding system, and it's all happening inside tiny cells in your body. But DNA doesn't work alone. It needs a whole team. Enter RNA, or ribonucleic acid. Think of RNA as the messenger who carries DNA's instructions on how to build proteins, which are critical for everything from fighting off infections to breathing. So, how does DNA replicate? Every time a cell divides, its DNA makes a copy of itself. Imagine zipping open that twisted ladder and adding new matching rungs along each side. This process is incredibly accurate, ensuring that every new cell gets a perfect copy of DNA. And guess what? Errors can happen during replication, and these errors lead to mutations, which can be harmful, beneficial, or have no effect at all. And over long periods, these mutations are what drive evolution, the change in the hereditary features of species over generations. It's thrilling to think that this microscopic structure, coiled up inside each of your cells, holds the instructions for life itself. It's like carrying a secret code in every cell that tells the story of who you are and connects you to every living thing on the planet. All right, that was a whirlwind tour through the world of DNA. I hope you found it as exciting as I do. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the core of genetic science. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.